recently purchased a drone from advancedronenag.com. Watch this video and learn how to properly register your drone that you newly purchased from advancedronenag.com. Let's get into it. Once you've unboxed your newly purchased drone, we're going to take a look at the airframe, and this is going to be your model. In this case, it's the Agris T40, and this is going to be your serial number. We're going to use that information to put into our paperwork to register for an N number. Okay, now we're going to start with the FAA registration. So we need to obtain an N number. So on the FAA website, you're going to go to N numbers, and you're going to request a special N number online. Now, let's go ahead and make it simple for ourselves. So let's go 4030, 4031, 4032, 4033, and 4034. Now let's see what is available. Now, out of those N numbers, we got two available. We got 4033 and 4034. So let's go ahead and press 1. Now, we can go ahead and do name and address. You're going to submit, and then the FAA is going to send you an approved and requested N number in the mail. Okay, this form here is your aircraft registration application. We're going to submit all this information, all these forms to the FAA, the P.O. Box 25504, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. I want to point out that do not forget the evidence of ownership. I've had customers forget this and wondering why they're not getting their N number registered. This is why. So do not forget the evidence of ownership. Let's take a look at the form itself. Under box number 1, it's going to be your registered N number. So you put your N number, box number 1. Number 2 is going to be your aircraft manufacturer. That's going to be DJI. Box number 3 is your aircraft model. That's either going to be the Agris T25, the Agris T40, or the Agris T50. And your aircraft serial number will be the serial number I showed you where to obtain that information. And all the rest is pretty simple stuff. So you just fill out everything you need to fill out, sign it, and submit it with all your other forms. So now let's move on to your next form. Now let's look at the affidavit of ownership of the unmanned aircraft. You're going to submit your N number, and under class, it's going to be rotorcraft. And you manufacturer, builder, DJI, whatever model that you've purchased. Go through your serial number, your manufacturer number, your remote ID can be found on your controller. And let's go down to engine type. Your engine type is electric, and the number of engines is going to depend. So if you've purchased the T50 and the T40, is going to be 8 engines. If you have purchased the T25, it's going to be 4 engines. Number of seats, 0. Max takeoff weight for the Agris T50 is 227 pounds. The Agris T40 is 222 pounds. And the Agris T25 is 127 pounds. Fill out all the other information, and yes, you are going to have to get this notarized. I hope this video has helped you register your newly purchased sprayer drone through advancedronenag.com. If there's any other questions or concerns, email us or give me a call today.